where every journey reveals a hidden wonder.
In the heart of China, along the mighty Yangtze River, stands a structure so immense it bends the course of a river and the destiny of a nation. This is not just any dam. This is the Three Gorges Dam, the largest hydroelectric power station ever built by humankind. Spanning over 2 kilometers in length, with a height towering above 60 stories, it holds back billions of cubic meters of water, reshaping landscapes, livelihoods, and legacies. But what lies behind this colossal wall of concrete? A marvel of modern engineering? A gamble with nature and humanity? Or perhaps both? In today's video, Worldzing invites you on an awe-inspiring journey to explore the full story of the Three Gorges Dam, from its daring conception to its global consequences. Prepare yourself for a tale of ambition, power, sacrifice, and controversy. Because this isn't just about a dam. It's about how far we humans are willing to go to bend the forces of nature to our will. Let's begin. On the Yangtze River, the longest river in Asia, there stands a human-made monument so colossal that it can be seen from space. The Three Gorges Dam, stretching more than 2.3 kilometers in length and towering over 185 meters high, is the largest hydroelectric power station on Earth. But behind the concrete lies a story filled with ambition, controversy, sacrifice, and awe. In this video, we'll dive into the extraordinary world of the Three Gorges Dam. How it was built, what it changed, and what it tells us about the relationship between humans and nature. Are you ready to explore one of the most powerful constructions ever created by mankind? The Three Gorges Dam is not just a dam, it's a symbol of national pride and engineering dominance. Total length, 2,335 meters. Height, 185 meters. Reservoir capacity, over 39.3 billion cubic meters power. Output, 2,200 megawatts, enough to power entire countries. At peak capacity, the dam's turbines generate as much electricity as 18 nuclear power plants combined. But beyond numbers, it is a colossal force that reshaped geography, tamed one of the most dangerous rivers in the world, and altered the fate of over 1 million people. The idea of damming the Yangtze dates back to Sun Yat-sen, the father of modern China, in the early 1900s. Yet it wasn't until 1994, under the leadership of Deng Xiaoping, that construction truly began. The vision was clear: prevent deadly floods, generate clean energy, modernize inland transportation, showcase China's technological might. More than 27 million cubic meters of concrete were used, enough to build hundreds of skyscrapers. The result? A dam that could literally change the flow of history. From 1994 to 2012, over 40,000 workers labored day and night. Highlights of the construction include 32 turbines, each weighing over 6,000 tons, a ship lift system that can raise vessels weighing 3,000 tons over 100 meters, flood control mechanisms capable of withstanding once-in-a-century storms. It's not just an energy hub, it's a logistics corridor, a water management system, and a symbol of human determination. But behind the achievements lies a heavy price: mass displacement. More than 1.3 million people were forced to relocate. Entire towns, cities, and over 1,300 villages were submerged. Ancient temples, archaeological ruins, and historical monuments vanished beneath the reservoir. While the Chinese government provided resettlement support, the emotional and cultural loss is immeasurable. Ecological consequences: disrupted fish migration and endangered species, like the Chinese sturgeon sediment buildup, has changed soil fertility in downstream areas. Landslides and erosion have increased in many regions. Risk of seismic activity due to reservoir-induced pressure. The dam not only controls water, it reshaped ecosystems, landscapes, and the lives of millions. Is the Three Gorges Dam a modern miracle or a dangerous gamble? Supporters claim it produces clean, renewable energy, reduces carbon emissions, prevents floods that have historically claimed thousands of lives, powers China's rapid economic growth. Critics argue it caused massive cultural and environmental loss. The long-term safety and maintenance are still uncertain. If the dam ever collapses, the disaster would be catastrophic, endangering over 15 million people downstream. The dam stands as both a beacon of progress and a warning sign. It's a reminder that human ambition must always be tempered by caution. Beyond engineering, the Three Gorges Dam plays a powerful role in geopolitics. Internally, it showcases China's capacity for large-scale innovation, strengthens energy independence, enhances inland trade routes via ship locks and reservoirs. Regionally, though located on the Yangtze, the dam is part of China's broader water control strategy. Neighboring nations fear that China's dominance over its rivers could threaten regional water security, especially along the Mekong River. The Three Gorges is a case study in how infrastructure can become a tool of diplomacy or pressure. In the end, the Three Gorges Dam stands as a monument to human ambition. It is powerful, it is beautiful, it is terrifying. It has changed landscapes, altered history, and challenged what we think is possible. But it also forces us to ask, how far should we go to control nature? And what happens when we go too far? Thank you for joining this journey with WorldZing. If you found this story fascinating, please subscribe, like, and share to help us bring more untold stories from around the world. What's your opinion on the Three Gorges Dam? Leave a comment below. Where should we explore next? See you in the next adventure.